My name is Harish and I'm from London, the United Kingdom, and I currently study biomedical science, entering my third year at Queen Mary University of London. So I chose to do an internship with Circle abroad because I wanted more lab experience. I chose to do it abroad because I wanted to boost my independence as well as broaden my resume and CV to show that I'm capable of doing something in the UK as well as abroad. In terms of interesting things that I did and see in my internship, I enjoyed to work in a lab because my supervisor helped me a lot with making notes and making sure that everything we do in the lab is written down so we can write it down on our resume, as well as make sure we have a clear understanding of what we're doing. She helped us along the way and made sure we're comfortable with what we're doing and have a good understanding instead of just doing and just copying what she's doing. And another good thing about this internship is it was very diverse in terms of the country I was in. There was a very good nightlife and there was a lot of friendly people, which made it much more enjoyable for someone who's coming into a country that doesn't understand the language. And in terms of the coordination with Circle Abroad, they were very good and made sure we felt as comfortable as we can. They messaged us a lot prior to entering the country. They made sure we had a good and easy pickup from the airport. They were texting us continuously. The smaller things like such as telling us where to put the bins. They were messaging us whenever the weather got too hot. They were telling us where the safe places are in Thessaloniki, and if we were ever interested in going to other cities such as Rhodes or Athens, they made sure to tell us where the safe places were and what to avoid, and just make sure our safety was priority. And in terms of enjoying my stay in the city and country, I would highly recommend Thessaloniki. It's a very different city compared to other cities in Europe. They're a very friendly country. The weather's really nice, and Circle Board make sure you have a very good time on yourself.